Okay, question number 19. Right. Compressive forces are applied normally to the end faces of a cylinder of initial length L. Okay, so you had an initial length of cylinder L and you applied a force, compressive force. It means what? You are compressing it like this, you are compressing it like this. Cylinder is compressed by the forces, so its length decreases to 0.6 L. So it got ultimately compressed by 40%. So it becomes 0.6 L. After the compressive forces are removed, the cylinder's length increases 0.8 L. What should actually happen? When you compress, say for example, if this is an elastic spring, so if I compress it, 60% it gets reduced, and the moment I remove my force, what should happen? It should become L over here. But what happened over here? It becomes 0.L. That means it does not come back to the normal point, right? Which describes the deformation of the cylinder when its length was 0.6 L. What is the deformation? What is it happening? So you can say it is initially, since you are able to compress, it is elastic, and when you left it out, it did not regain its position, so it is also plastic. So as a result of this, what can you say? It is both elastic and plastic. So both elastic and plastic. So these are all incorrect. If it is only elastic, that means you can compress and it will come back to the same position. If it was only plastic, then what will happen? So you compress it, it never comes back to this position. If it is 0.6 L, even if you remove it, it will remain the same. Then neither elastic nor plastic. So that means it is very rigid over there. Okay. So all the three are incorrect. A is the right option.